ಹಲೋ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್,
ಹಲೋ.
ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ದೇ ವರ್ ಇನ್ ಟಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ?
ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಥರನೇ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂಥರ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಕನ್ಸ ನನ್ಸ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಟುಡೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಿಂಕಿನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಭಯ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್
Yes.
ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ?
So we were doubting almost every step that we took, and there was a second thought about every exam that I gave, even the mock interviews that I gave. I had a second thought about everything. Obviously, I was scared about it, but I think being curious and being anxious turned out well for me.
What do you think changed for you in this attempt that you got results?
I think the idea was to stay consistent throughout and to hold on to the low hanging fruits and develop on the ones that were my weak areas. I think it's important that each one of us does our own SWOT analysis. What are our strengths? What are our weaknesses? Where are the opportunities for us? And what are the threats that we should never venture into? I think it is important for each and every candidate to have their own SWOT analysis and work towards UPSC with a strategy in mind.
So from an aspirant to a role model, what changed ma'am?
I hope I can turn out to be a good role model for students. But my role model, my mentor, has always taught me that learning never stops and it has to keep going on. The idea is to stay curious today. Like even today, I was just looking up town hall, seeing why is it named town hall and after whom is it named. I think learning never stops, and this is just the first step towards a lifetime of learning.
6 years ma'am, our struggle. Do you think the result and after result celebrations, is it justifying ma'am?
I technically haven't celebrated much. Today will be kind of my first celebration. Yeah, I'm hoping to have a good time today.
Okay. So result ಬಂದಿದ್ದು, was it happiness or a big sense of relief?
I can say it was both. It was happiness clubbed with relief because I knew that this was going to be my last attempt at the exam. I also happen to be an advocate, so I used to practice and also do this along with it. So I always thought that if this doesn't work out, I will continue to practice. And the end game was to serve the society anyhow. And whether it was through my advocacy or practice, or whether it was UPSC civil services, I knew that it was my calling to always serve the people.
Did you not doubt the process while, as you are telling, you were an advocate at the same time giving UPSC attempts? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ವಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಡೌಟ್ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದ್ 3 ಸತಿ ಆದ್ರೂ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗೇನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ತಾನೇ ನಾವು ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ವೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಬೆಟರ್. ಸೊ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡೇಟರಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೇನೆ ನಾವು ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
What kept you going ma'am?
I think it was my parents' firm belief in me, my mentors' firm belief in me, and it was their constant support that kept me going.
Okay. There should be an inner voice that should be ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ okay, you are given all this.
It was their confidence that ignited the inner voice in me ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
Oh my god, so nice ma'am. Yes ma'am, thank you so much
Thank you,
ma'am.
thank you,
ma'am.
thank you.